This is Dylan, and today we are going to talk about where to get beans. This is probably the most important, not probably, this is the most important thing that you can do as a craft chocolate maker. So it's good to know who to buy from because, as I always keep saying, 90% of quality in chocolate is beans. And it's important to know who to buy from. So depending on the size, you're going to either want to buy from someone like John Nancy at Chocolate Alchemy. That's how I first started. It was pounds at a time or kilos at a time. And it's hard to find somebody who's got a nice selection at that scale. And so they'll ship anywhere in the US, probably other countries as well. As soon as you've moved on from there and say you have larger stone grinders maybe, what you'll want to do is buy a bag of cacao at a time to many bags, to containers, whatever you're at. And this is a list of places that we would recommend. There's probably other people that I don't have on this list. I'm sorry if I forgot you. But Meridian Cacao, we buy Tanzania from them because we don't bring in containers of that at this point. So these would be companies that do bags to containers. They also sell butter. Uncommon Cocoa, they have lots of different origins. They'll send you samples. I don't think they sell butter, but they've got quite a few origins that are worth checking out. Cacao Services, they've got great cacao, Ucayali, Peru, Esmeraldas. The Uganda stuff's really good too. A&D, we're currently getting butter through them now, through Machu Picchu Foods. And because we can't bring in full containers, we are piggybacking on other orders that A&D, Albrecht and Dill, I think they're a Dutch company, but we buy through the US rep. That's for butter, really nice butter. We've kind of looked around, preferring Machu Picchu Foods, which is out of Peru, obviously. Cacao Life, they're based in Canada. We just got some samples from them of only Peruvian cacao, and there was quite a few of them. And some of the samples I really, really liked. So especially if you're in Canada, check out Cacao Life. Guy's name is Marco. So these are places to reach out. If you're new to this, try and buy from a reputable bean supplier. And anybody on that list should be able to get you samples that are worth trying. And then you just got to play around, see what you like. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Aloha.